Good morning guys, hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very special. And guys, it's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. And for my returner subscriber, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Thank you a million. May God bless you. And on today's videos guys, it's a surprise by itself. Actually, I'm within at my home, so most of the time I shoot my video from my home going outside. So I'm going to make a major huge progress. It depends, you know. So if you're watching this video for the first time guys, please subscribe, share my videos, leave the sweet comment. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about on the comment section. And on my videos it's all about construction, surprise, and at the same time traveling, you know. So I'm within here, so heading this way. I normally pass here, you know, I normally pass here. Wow, so it's a beautiful day, man. You can see from this angle. Wow. Before I leave, man, I must check the cow every day. I must check the cow every day. Before I leave here, I must check the cow every day. And probably today I'll pay again a visit, like to pay a visit to Brother Dagi, you know. Sorry guys to say visitor and to pay a visit. So today I'm paying a visit to Brother Dagi. Today. But I think on tomorrow's evening I was been there up to midnight, and then I came home because they are part of my family. So I came to check our cow, and then as we keep going inside here, they are grazing, man. Look. Say hello. Wow. I wanna check the cow before we leave, you know. Love is so free. See this one, I'm chilling here. Say hello. No idea on this, you know. So I normally check our cow. When I leave, I left the cow in good condition. Guys, this one is grazing here. So guys, thank you so much for the full support. I really appreciate for the love and support in other way. You mean a lot to me. You mean the world to me, you know. So this is how our cows looks like. So right now I'm heading home. I want to show you there's some project of my uncle. I want to support them with 3 bags of cement. Mom, thank you so much for the full support toward my family, and more videos coming. Mom, wherever you are, thank you a million. I can't mention your name, it's privacy between me and you. So man, let's go and see. Thank you so much for my good subscriber who are watching my videos every day. Thank you a million. These videos, it's a surprise by itself. I was done for the several time, but you know what, today I'm changed to my uncle's place. Wow. So right now I'm heading there, and I want to see what is going on. Oh, let's go. Look how tree is going like boom because of the windy and all stuff. Let's go. Hello baby on the control. Wow. You know, Mary pass here, heading home right now. And guys, I think this all week it's a mega huge progress. Let's go. Even my uncle, he doesn't have clue what's going on, but I just pull up very early in the morning, and I want to support them. There is a time I support them sand, balance stones, and also the pipe. So right now I'm heading towards my uncle's project. I'm going there, you know. He doesn't have clue what's going on, and wow, probably I see something there. So probably my uncle who live in Tanzania, I'll make a call. You know what, we have one of our fans support you with 3 bags of cement. And also my uncle who living right now here, he was a border rider. He went to hustle outside there, so I'll let him to know that we're heading to Border Town to purchase cement. And this is where I'm calling home. Soon I want to be transform this place. I'm telling you every day, guys. We have trees. We want to split timbers, and then for the roofing, in case when it's missing, we buy another roofing. We buy another timber for the roofing. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Although, guys, around my entire village where I came from, people try to name me with a bad name, but me, I don't care. No time with those people. And he named me Illuminati, but I don't care. Imagine a day like this, guy shooting my uncle's project. One of the subscribers made it possible. I support them with 3 bags of cement, and more amazing videos coming. Mom, wherever you are, thank you so much. I'm so happy. A day like this, I never expected. Also, my uncle never expected. He doesn't have any clothes going on, and me, I'm just going this way, and then I'll go to Nyabohanse, looking him, heading to Border Town. Wow, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This is my grandma home. This is my great grandma home over there. Man, look. This is material that we have here. Soon I wanna add 2 tippers here, within here. I'm telling you, I wanna add 2 tippers for the construction. Wow. Let me go, guys. First greet my great grandma, and then I come to explain with my uncle's project right there. So let's go and see. Me, I don't care. Whenever people call me Illuminati, let's go. We flow with vibe. No problem. No problem at all. As long as I believe in God, me, I'm ready to go. Me, I'm ready to go. And guys, sorry to say the way it is, but I can't keep my silence because people embracing me. I don't care. So let me greet my grandma. Buyore. That's my great grandma home right now. They're hanging. I'm talking about the Obokere. Matanko buhanda kubaguri vya koreoni kwa sababu ngoto kwande sana koko. Ngoto ibo buheno. Ndo
amatuki ohamu urakugutuka.
Bako ngobanda ko kukuri nyama nkorete. Guys, I'm telling my grandma because most of the people try to abuse me, call me a Illuminati. Even I fear to buy my grandma some meat to eat, some shopping, some time. I fear, man. But there's a day I made a shopping for him. Kokon kobuhan neta kukurigin tong korete. Roma.
Matuki utigira Mungu.
So orerong korete na mutagatara. Iriti mo yisire. Ha? Iriti mo yisire. Iriti mo. Yama kuteterese.
Weta yondete.
Haya. Ndakorete na mavere ni sukaro koricha harakini. Nobana hata na obakuturi hapa. Ntakungono. Ndakorete na maguta.
Mungu nyene manyiri.
Amavere ni sukaro mugate tu. Nkururu mugate. Okay, guys. Because of that, and when I was a kid, my great grandma take care of me. And today, when I came here several times, my grandma keep insist, bring paraffin. I live in a dark house. So today I'm going to buy the paraffin, which is for $1. And at the same time, I'll buy bread and milk and sukari no nai. And I could sukari na mapera na machani. Tora ko chahuni. Hi. And of which I'll head with my uncle to the supermarket. I make the shopping for my a little bit. Ndakoretere. Haya. Amabere nga hogotomera.
Amabere tigoso girituka.
Haya. Sawa. Ndakoretere. Guys, me, I have the free heart to support people within my family. But most of the people try to work with my name outside there, try to give bad name, like spread my name in a bad way within my village here. Mie don't care. Go correct rande. Teni nyabu hanse. Afuni nasamoke boda ndache navyo. Aya. I don't care, man. Me, I love my great-grandma rather than my grandma because all my time when I was a kid, I was staying with my great-grandma because eating the food there, eating the porridge, like drinking the porridge, doing everything. When, man, I can't forget, you know. So because we have a lot of kids within here. So let's go and see. So a day like this, they doesn't have clothes going on, and we wanna support them with three bags of cement. I will ask him what is missing here. So technically, the way it is, I wanna support them 3 bags of cement, and then 1 bag could be adjust these bricks here that you see here, and then 2 bags plastering because these toilets are small, plastering inside and also outside, because I think 1 bag it can plaster here and here, and also 1 bag outside. So maybe for meanwhile also my uncle, they will contribute maybe 1 bag or 2 bags they can finish up, but for now me, I want to support them with 3 bags of cement within here. Imagine guys, the way it is. I support them with sand that has been there, pipe, balance stones right there. I spend all my money to buy balance stones, but because of this situation, I support them with balance stones, sand, even the pipe that I use on my toilet there. Again. Hey, tayo gani ko kiwans? Tayo gani ko kiwans? Tayo gani ko kiwans? That's my brother right there. Scammy. Imagine guys, the way it is. This is my balance stones right here. This is my balance stones. And the initial time we have the sand here. You can't tell. Look, this is the sand. I have a lot of sand here, like 1 pickup, but I support my uncles to build the toilet right there, free of heart, no charges, pipe, balance stones. Man, I'm telling you, sometime when maybe you are living in an extended family, bring a lot of problems. You know, look at that pipe. Even right now here. This pipe going deep, and we have another one inside the house. My brother wants to learn. Okay guys, this is another situation. You know, today is on Monday, and my brother went to school, but unfortunately I found them here. Did he miss him? So he wants to learn a motorbike, like how to ride a motorbike. Say hello.
Hello.
You're good?
Yeah.
Why don't you go to school? What is the reason?
I was being sent. There's some a little of school fees. Yeah.
Wow. So you want to know how to ride a bike?
Yeah.
You just take to the field. So guys, today it's a Monday. It's a weekday school. Actually, it's on Monday, and they were being sent school fees. So I will make at the same time video going to the school, paying him school fees. Tatach. Kok. Wanga kurotera sana. Ayo ego. Tiga kwanza. Ayo. Tore kila igay. Tori giye. Ohatera ngora. Ngora rotera maguta ngora igo. Ngora. Dei suri. Wang, you got to crash when get here. Hey, that's my brother. Because most of the people ask me, why don't you train your brother to ride a motorbike? Right now, I found him doing by himself. That's a good sign. Oh, tikilacho rotera mo ego. When get here. Tianko. Amaguta, mugutu angakorotera iga urchano gotera iga hano agotikila cho turigia ulinge mugutu iga gotikila chi
Ana gota uri
ulinge iga tu ora turigia
ige mu otore mu embere
mumbere chini chongucha igoro tukuma hano gotere ikilachi tura guturigia. Guys, I will explain after this. Hano gotere ikilachi igoro tuno turigia ulinge mugutu iga hano aturigia ora hatir kilachi ngora ora hatir kilachi ngora utamuguta ngora sika brue. So guys, I'm trying to explain my brother. When you put a gear, you accelerate fuel, like come forward, and then you put the gear, you just adjust fuel, like accelerate the fuel. Guys, this is another situation. They were being sent school fees, and my family, they were being somehow lucky to have a firstborn, which is Hello Baby over here. Imagine a day like this. May never expect this. They have been sent school fees, and then I wanna pay him. I think Nishingapi.
only 1,000 shillings.
1,000 shillings. Alright guys, it's 10 USD, and that is the amount that I have on my pocket right now. Even both of my cousins, they were being sent right here. We have another one right there. So right now, guys, the amount that I have on my pocket, to be honest, it's 1,000. And then both of them look at me. My cousin, we have another cousin right there. So maybe if I could have $30, I could be pay them. But right now I have 10 USD. Let me pay for my brother, and then we shall see for my next cousin. We have another one here, right there. Mohau Chimbit. Okay. Igo. Torigie. Paro manko hatero. Ngora, what the crash? Guys, sometime iga afote mambere ngora iga vai neutro ha bado hater anote maiga afu ngora go ahead, Tori Kilash. Taya? Iya. Tadi gigi ya? Adingnya kuya gorong ngora. Ase ngora. Taya? Hey. Guys, I'm so happy. Sometimes when my brother know how to ride a bike, actually he was trained by himself. Me, I'm just give him a small hint. Ngora, aya teme kono utamaguta. Wow. So okay, give me time. I wanna take my breakfast and then take you to school. Yeah. Okay. I have another my cousin here. I'm telling you, they have been sent school fees, but all in well, to be honest, I have only 1,000 shillings on my pocket, and imagine I have another one right here. But guys, because of money, if we could have $30, I can support them. But right now, I have 10 USD on my pocket. And I saved that $10 because when anything that happened around my home, I could use that money. So unfortunately, my brother had been sent school fees and all stuff. So before I go to take my breakfast, wow, I have chicken right here. Hey, the coke. Wow. So guys, before I'm heading inside the house, this borehole here, I need to make, like, to create them because they're under risk. Right now I have some kids here playing around, even have my sister. So I need to, like, to buy bricks and some bags, steel bar and door to cement, and then to secure from this kind of situation. Me, I'm showing you the way it is, guys. I wanna work for it. I think soon, guys. Soon, I wanna work on my well. You know, I was calling the borehole, and most of the people advised me it's not a borehole, it's a well. All right, guys. Whichever the case, you see, guys, when you remove this stuff here, for example, you see, it's empty. It's empty. It's empty. Look, it's empty. You see, guys, empty. But as long as we get water, so I wanna work for it. To make sure that I cover this with with bricks, like going around circular, and then cemented on top, putting steel bar, concrete, you know, plastering, put like smooth cement, and put the door. You know, guys, when I have let me tell you guys, when I have D12 steel bar 2 pieces and D10 3 pieces, and then 3 bags can finish here, and also 400 bricks and the door, and also labor money, we're ready to go. But so I think if I want to get $120, it can finish up this one here. But soon things work slowly. Me, I'm saying when I get $120, I can finish this situation here. You know, look how it looks like. 120 it can finish, because 3 bags of cement or 4 bags of cement, that is $40. And then steel bar, we have steel bar according to the price, 1,300, 900, you know, according to the price. And then I supposed to buy some bricks, and then to have labor money to buy some timber. Already we have the concrete. We need the sand, like 1 pickup right now here. I'm telling you, if you have material on the ground, you could manage your work to be smooth. So let's go. My brothers keep enjoying riding the bike, but it's my privilege when my family know how to ride the bike. Mom, guys, I want to have right now my breakfast as we keep going outside taking my brother to school. So guys, stay tuned. This is my tea right now here, this bread, and right now I want to eat, and then I take my brother to school, paying him school fees for this term, you know. So let me pray for my food. Alright, guys, let me enjoy my food, you know. I pray silently, no pressure on this. Let me enjoy. Oh my God. Thank you so much, God, to have my breakfast tea with my bride here. Oh guys, I'm outside right now. I wanna take my brother and my cousin to school, but it's a coincidence, guys. I have only 10 USD, but all in well. Let's see. Daddy, how good? Am I high?
Daddy.
Okay. Thank you. Nipe helmet, oh guys, this is my helmet here. For I do like this. Alright guys, it's time to go. Okay. It's one-on-one on the motorbike. Wow. Daddy. Imagine guys, I take them to school. Wow. Mecca. Guys, both of them, they were being sent school fees, 3 of them. But unfortunately guys, I have only 10 USD and each and everyone it's 10. Usanonda arep ki konchires piti usemboso hamu ikakitike yako kulepa sasa
kila mtu ni 1k
kila mtu ni kama remedio. Imagine guys, me I think it's only $10, but each and everyone 10. There have been 3 and on my pocket I have 10 USD. Even right now I have right now on my pocket guys. Let me show you, no hiding. This is a 10,000. I will keep it inside my house. You know, sometime I want to have an emergency, but like on today's an emergency for my brother. So the rest of my cousin, maybe God will open the door. We'll see how the day go. So guys, stay tuned. I'll never like. Let me try to film the video. You know, I'm a pro. So today I'm going to buy 3 bags of cement on this project here. So we need even my grandma to use that toilet. Oh. Left home. Oh my gosh. Left home right now in my bike, heading to the school right now. Whoa. Fully outside guys, I'm telling you the way it is. Heading straight. Let's go. But I'm trying my best guys to ride slowly. Outside, I have another one of my cousins, Sarah. Wow. There's another of my cousin who went to the river. Man, I'm telling you, when you compare my family, it's somehow large in number. Woo. Heading straight up to the school. At the back, that's my brother, 2 cousins heading this way. Oh my god. Let's go. Alright guys, we just pull up in the school right now. So let's go. Taya. Yeah. Hapo ndo kwako. Sawa. Guys, it's time to go. I was coming from this office making the payment, and most of the office doesn't like camera. Wow. So guys, video continue. I left from the school. Right now I'm going to see my uncle, and then we're heading to Border Town. I want to purchase for him 3 bags of cement. I'm telling you, at this moment, you know. So let's go. Guys, the rest of my cousin, 2 of them are remaining. I haven't paid him any money. but I haven't paid them money, you know, because I have only 10 USD on my pocket, and I sold out to my brother. So unfortunately, I met their class teacher having the exam, you know. So I told them, left to my cousin to be do some exam. When get money, I will pay, you know. Me guys, I love to support my family, but people try to abuse me with no reason. Let me see my uncle. I wanna this Nyabuhanse village, guys, to the world. That's how it looks like on this side here. So guys, I'm going to pick my uncle at Boda Boda station right here. Hey Mamba, kick it by. Let's go guys. This is how Nyabuhanse looks like. I'm telling you, nothing to be hide anymore. Oh my god. I wanna pick my uncle. Hey now. Oh, stay. Bigi hoge. Stop hit simit. Hey ciao. Eh? Ya mbiri chake. Gasia uwe. Ano achuko icho ngachakuyo. You're too much hungry. Alright guys, let's go. I told my uncle today I want to support you with 3 bags of cement, and there's some crazy of the border rider making jokes. Me, I don't care. I don't care. I done my part, and that's the end of the story, you know. So right now guys, I'm going to border town to have cash and then purchase my uncle's cement. Big shout out to you guys for your full support. I appreciate it. I'm outside. We have an upcoming restaurant right now here. Guys, today it's a mega surprise by itself, you know. Let's go. Heading straight. Guys, sorry for the windy. But I'm outside heading to go to town. Oh, that's a business right there. Wow, let's go man, let's go. Let's go. After a few minutes, you wanna see my uncle pull up to the hardware. So I'm telling him, wait me there. Wow. Let's go. Guys, me, I feel so good when I see my family to be supportive, you know. And mom, wherever you are, thank you so much, mom. Thank you. May God bless you abundantly for your full support. We're heading straight, no pressure on that. You know, that's my Roman Catholic Church, where I believe, where I belong to. Whoa, guys, sorry for the windy. You know, sorry for the windy. I'm telling you. And soon I wanna have vlogs like this one here, right? That you see. I'm telling you, man. One day that house would be a part of my dream house. I'm telling you. Heading to Border Town. Wow. It's a beautiful day, man, from East Africa, Kenya. You can see by yourself. I'm telling you the way it is. Look at that. And the normal speed over here, it's 50 kilo, like 50, I mean, per speed. You know, 50 per speed. Let's go. We have a new shell right now here. Right there. There's a new shell. You know. Keep moving on. We're moving on. Guys, right now, no time for negativity at all. No time. I don't want to spend my time with negative people. No time at all. You know, a day like this, I just pull out, shooting my videos, showing you Border Town, how it looks like, and it's a business town. I'm telling you, people are outside, put something on table, you know. Look at this dog right now here. Shit. You have the police post Spania here. If you make a job, you're ready to go. Hey, that's a track right there. So guys, this Border Town, I need to go at my own pace, you know. I need to go at my own pace. Oh my god. Wait, Buyore. Yeah. So guys, right now this is Border Town, and I realized the moment I put music on my videos, sometimes to bring copyrights. So nowadays no music. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. I come to buy cement right there. Let's go, let's go. Oh my god. People drive here with no helmets, and they have, almost of the people have helmets, but it doesn't like helmets, you know. Of which it's wanna secure, like protect me from, maybe protect my head. You see even this guy here. Wow. Wow guys. Alright guys, I just pull up here on this hardware, and I wanna buy 3 bags of cement. Put in here. So Ajesta, you've got that.
Jan,
You good?
how are you?
Me, I'm good.
Miskotatu is what?
Is it simiti?
Cement.
That's 1,800.
I have a lot of money.
No, no,
So
2,000.
nowadays I'm in another country, so
Eh,
to see.
whoa.
Change it up to no soda, change. Change it to
As-
soda.
You've got that. It's better.
Lay up.
3 bags of cement. Okay, that's my change.
What does change yote wanaleta mia?
What I think I have masabuki na control.
Control wapi?
Na control.
Unaongea naye?
Tariga tu good. Hebu tukamara matanga mara somba. Guys, this is how we normally purchase things here. So I'm waiting the receipt for 3 bags of cement. We have here the paint, no problem. So I'm waiting the receipts. Okay guys, just a minute, I'm waiting the receipt and then let's take out. Chacha, lazima tumetemere wazao. Okay, tutayo hapa. Ndainya abomo temere.
Chacha tu tumega. Ano ni bibi yana nyori gemba kama goro.
Oh.
Mukuru usako ndike.
Achino ni satom kimkiari.
Mere chacha. Acha chinde.
Chacha.
Chacha oro mwana.
Ewa ni maha. Teni pikipiki mako magihara.
Magihara.
Kus anto ina eno ndemuki muntu.
Ngambu ni mbako.
Tareta. And kotatu. Kitako utaekwa. Yangu ni YouTube. Hello baby. Yeah. Pikipiki inakuja. So guys, I wanna surprise my uncle with 3 bags of cement right now, and then because he doesn't have the bike, my bike will use to carry cement, and then I'll call one guy from there actually to pick me home. So I'm calling one rider from there. Kuja na pikipiki. Babuge. So I'm telling him come with motorbike because mine will pick cement. Right now. Dora boy. Nataka tuende nyumbani. Hai. So this is steel bar which I took for my uncle. Right now, like this one is D12 and D10. Okay. So here. So my bike will pick cement and then I'll sit on that bike because my uncle's bike are not around. Oh. This is my receipt. I've already been marked. So let's take out the cement. So guys, I wanna be paid. I wanna be very patient, guys. Wait, they get to serve me.
Yes.
Chicho. Sawa, nulia mamaski.
Maski gani tumebeba wakati tumechoka nazo.
Choma raundi kikupa. Bebe. Ndio kama papa kwa ukionda kisimiti pata kudumu sana. Kenora. Amasenti. Akena njende tama bro kunta kimuki unisimiti uke matofali. Kama gayo. Mere ni ankore kituri sana.
Iya. Ana turwa.
Bro, kana simuja wote wawili mweke hapo. Guys, imagine I'm still waiting cement from this side here. Tatu yangu. Ni mimi. Guys, we shall meet later. That's one. And one cost 50 kg. Yengu changanya pale. Kienda tunagi kemisuko 100.
Wale bere.
Kama 70. Ile gari. Sasa itakuwa nikipiga simu analeta. Inabeba 50. So 50. So this one bag. So I'm keep waiting another bag. So nothing to be black. Mtoto ni wa bonge. Banana babake tu. Sasa inataka imili hivyo. Wow. Then one more guys to go. Ready. Our deal done. Boom. Okay. So guys, it's time to go to Adamawa. Orangani. Home. Let's go. And nitapiga tu picha. Tutayam. Now guys, I'll be on this bike here. It's good to promote people within our village here. Want to go on the other side. Wow, there you go. And then my friend fuel bike. Fueling within here. So it's time to go back home. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Guys, I left Border Town. So right now there's no need to film too much. There's no need to film too much in Border Town. So stay tuned. Oh guys, this is how Border Town looks like, and people are hustling outside. Wow. Keep going. Wow. That's like a safari ride. The cement just over there. Heading home. Stuck here. See guys, that's cement. I'm telling you. It's by God's grace. Thank you so much, ma. And after they remove the cement, I'll come and make some small shopping for my great grandma. I promise her. Then I'll make it. You know? See, these are matatu right here. Yeah. Guys, now we left the tarmac road. Actually use the Muram road right now. It's a shortcut, and we have the dump site right now here. So this is where I normally pass when I'm heading home, going to Border Town, coming home, you know. So going to Japan, it's a long distance. So I want to use the shortcut. Wow. have a lot of dust. Right now it's summer season, and it depends the place where you are. Maybe it's winter. I wanna share with you summer season from the Amharic to the one Afro Cape. Look, guys, it's summer season, but you see some green nature, you know. We're heading home. I can't wait to see my uncle's reaction and also my grandma's reaction, you know. Of course, guys, I have free heart support with my family, like extended family, but because of people try to abuse me with bad name, I say, you know what, let me support my family, you know, only my dad's home. But a day like this, my uncle wake up in the morning, no clue, like I wanna support her, like 3 bags of cement, but man, I can't even, how can I going to say this? But it's by God's grace. We keep believing in God, and I'm changing my narrative at home. At all, every month, it's another step, you know. You know, like this month, it's another big step. Wow. I think on today's video, at the same time, I'm going to visit my land for my friend. Yesterday, I was supposed to go there. No, on Saturday, because it's church service day, servant on STA. So I don't want to go there because a lot of the music. And then on Sunday, I'm so tired. But I managed to go today. If it's possible, I'll go tomorrow. But let's see. On the other side is my home. Wow. Imagine from this road we have some electricity posts and cables. From here up to my home, it's almost 5 posts. 5 posts to have the power to my home. But because of maybe of the money and everything, let's use solar panel. Maybe in the future we wanna have the electricity, guys. Heading straight. Go home. I never left behind my helmet. I never left behind my helmet. Wow. So we take a U-turn, not going straight. Take a U-turn. Kumego kama kabunda. And me, guys, I deliver everything that you see. When it's 3 bags, I deliver. Oh, guys, we're back home. Oh, these things is heavy. Oh my God. These things is heavy. Oh my God. So right now, we say God thank you, I was on this motorbike. And then this is the project, which you are very supportive. And then we buy 3 bags of cement. It's a walk. It's cement is something so kitchen. Lakini we need to put down cement. So guys, this is my uncle, brother to my dad, and I support them 3 bags of cement. We need more full support like iron sheet, door, and also maybe if somebody they wanna put tiles, and it's a small toilet. So uncle, unaweza semaje kwa mtu mwenye amefanya hivi?
May say thanks. May God bless you.
Okay. Yes. Mom, wherever you are, may God bless you. Nothing to be hide. These 3 bags of cement. This 1, 2, 3. Me, I made a video to show you what I'm trying to make it. And we have a lot of things to do on that project. For example, we need, I think it's 4 iron sheets, and then 2 doors. We need tiles, everything. And I need maybe as the time goes, maybe guys, we wanna put tiles here and there, so my grandma could be enjoy and use a nice toilet. So for that 3 bags of cement, it can maybe one use to cover and then the rest plastering. So soon we wanna have the plumber inside here, guys. So my family, it's at large in number. Thank you so much. May God bless you. More amazing videos coming. Actually, I'm going to buy my grandma some bread and milk after this video, guys. So late. So guys, right now I'm heading this way. I want to make a random shopping for my grandma. It's not that much. Oh wow, we need this one here. You know, I want to make for her. And that's not shopping, not that much big. Let's see. Need to buy for him bread. I think this one it's okay. And also milk. Let's even have the sugar. Okay. It's a little. Dadangu, maziwa yako wapi? Maziwa siwezi kuchukua, yako wapi maziwa? Okay. So guys, I forget to pick the milk. Let's see. Milk. Oh my God, you have books right here. Shka. So guys, I'm looking for the milk. Okay. Let's search this way. Just to I think this one is okay for him. You know, I already have bread. Guys, at the time I feel so good when I support my family, but because of the bad incidents that are try to give me bad names, I think this one it's okay for her, you know. Wow. Wow guys, I'm back home from the shopping, actually from supermarket, and that being said, I wanna surprise my grandma. Not surprise, to make a small shopping for $7. And because yeah, it's $7. So this one here goes to $5, and also the kerosene for $2 right now here. So oh my God, each and every day she asked me, buy for me kerosene, you know. Gok, it's too small, guys, the door. So today it's a kind of a banger. Oh my gosh, let me sit here, guys. I'm telling you, inside here there's a shopping. So because she was alone, and this shopping mostly sugar and milk, because it can serve maybe 2 to 3 days, and the kerosene or paraffin they can use for lighting lights inside the house, you know. Sometime when I came here, each and every time my great grandma she remind me. So today I said, you know what, no matter what, I must do for you something. That's my grandma. Quick. Emengo. Tengo tenda kuletera mabere n'umugati. That's my grandma right there. Because man, I feel so sad. If I could be a girl, I could come and stay with her. But right now, and she love how to stay alone, you know. She don't like to intermingle with maybe chaos, people making noise for her. Look, she's too old. Aya, my name got a mugutagaton. Mugutagatara. Ngoragaton.
Gatonya.
Hey,
Kubigi.
hey. I think kina agoragan. Nyo ingore inchuben kere. Kina inga na agoragan. Kaya wote anga tonye. So guys, let me see my great grandma reaction. Wow. Man, the way you're supporting me, I support my family. Nothing to be hide on camera. When I say it, I mean. Paul.
Asante.
Hanyarame omai.
Asante. Mungu akwenderi, Mungu ayara kulenda.
Hanyaroma. Mavere no rakori chai hunywe bakai chote ni churo kori chai hun. Mogate no rale rero. Orali chusoki churo.
Mogate nkulendi chisi kuisa tulisoki.
No monene. Umuburu goro hanchiri. Hanyara. Guys, let's my great grandma to open and see. Me nothing to be hide on supermarket. Right here. But I exchange the bread. Yes, we have milk here. There's milk. We have another milk inside also here. You know, me nothing to be hide. We have my tea leaves. Like if I hide in Kenya, black tea. Also, tunasukari home. Yeah, guys, inside you have sugar. Also, you see right there. Yeah. Mira, ngutoen nenda butore kini bano kuhara bantu ba guntu kunyata nko pande kuri byako.
Mungu agutore ho.
Aya. And then guys, I bought for kerosene. I'm gutangogan.
Tantura mambo.
Oh my god.
Murado bono. Inga hoda ngari shibanda. Aya. Mugutangogan no nyumba. Sukari tora akorka biwiki bere. Kugira ni kilo. Guys, yeah, my grandma blessed me. Say thank you so much. God add me more energy to serve my family. Guys, may love serve my family, like to help them as I can. But when people maybe go outside with my bad names, you know, me I fear. Even I bought the cement, but I told them the way maybe people give me bad name, I would cancel. Kakunya. Kato kutebe okaya kwa tera mantini kidumwe. Ala bwo kubakuta kumenya kuhira iguru kumukora.
Takuyate bimasi samba hayo bare koko.
Bono. Na tani ikuru icho. Nini kai. Tebono ni.
Aye. Tayo be keep your nyumba.
Ni keneni igwa.
Wow guys, I'm telling her go and keep a small shopping so it can serve you. So guys, we shall meet on the next video. Anyway guys, welcome on David Junior's construction site. Right now here, let me see what's going on. Hey, boss. What? Black Mamba.
I'm the boss of this site.
Hey, you are drinking water.
I'm drinking water to refresh my body. Yeah. Hello guys. There's Black Mamba. And welcome. Let me drink fire.
I'm telling you guys, he's a boss.
Yes. Right now I'm live from David Junior construction site. Black Mamba, the only one person in blackest person in my village.
How work go taking you around?
Okay, the work is going well. I've not seen any convenience because today we are just doing these staircases. So you can have a look.
Yeah, there is a time I was been here. You tried to put some box on the staircases.
Oh, you remember?
Tata Masaku.
Tata.
Kura vitano tata. Kura vitano. So Black Mamba.
Yes.
Hey, you want to put a
Do you
big-
remember that time we are putting that boxes?
Yes.
So that box we put to come to cast the concrete. This is the outro.
Hey, nice job.
Nice job work.
Wow.
Okay, now we are starting to put that bottoms for
Hapo
carrying
utaweka
the,
nini?
the ring beam.
Utaweka nani kama hii
Yeah,
rent.
the same like this one.
Na itaenda shike huko.
It will reach that far end. Another one will reconnect from this end to that end.
Okay.
So meantime, you will just walking all over here. You can't tell that there is a staircase here. Everything will be uniform. As you can see that far end and that far end.
What if maybe somebody watching this video and then they want to know you? Oh,
If you want to know me, guys, this is Black Mamba.
okay.
Go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, share. And what I need most, just comment to show me where I did mistake.
Yes, I'm trying to give you shout out.
Yeah. By the way, baby, I congratulate you for introducing me to this channel. I have to tell you that in my home where I come from, there is no any business we call YouTube. But here at Nyabuanse, you have introduced me to YouTube.
Yes.
Guys, one day my dream will reach.
Imagine all work that we see here. It's all about YouTube. But
YouTube,
every
actually.
day you see the Vijuna puts videos.
And even me, guys, one day my prayers God will answer.
Yes.
I wish to be somewhere.
Yes, this is all implication of YouTube.
Yeah.
You know, no employment, no nothing here. So it's a matter of working so hard, go hard through your dreams.
Actually, let me hope that one day God will answer my
You
prayers.
will
Okay.
answer. As long as you put more videos, you can
I'm just
subscribe.
putting more videos, like morning hours. I put a video. I started from my home at 5. Exactly 5. I shoot a video in the dark place, showing them that I'm coming from the local where even there is no electricity. You're gonna see that video.
Okay, today I will see, guys.
You will see.
Check Black Mamba, I appreciate.
91.
Hey, guys, this is a staircase, you know. Oh my god, my hair is already too gone. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi guys. I'm King Charles Kirioba here. That's my YouTube channel. We are here at David Junior's building construction. Yes, we are trying to push this work to see how it goes.
Okay.
So far we are in form work here. First we are continuing with form work. This is a bottom. So we can put a side here, whereby we can put the timber, we call it 4x2 frames, across to hold the strappers.
Okay.
Yes.
When did you finish this form work?
This form work, possibly we want to finish this week, mid this week.
Yes.
Mid this week.
Yeah.
Yes.
Guys,
Thursday, Wednesday, we might finish.
Yes, guys, I can't wait to see people working here so hard, balanced, running everywhere. It's reminding me. And maybe during that time I'll be here showing people, like pushing the wheelbarrow like crazy. Wow. Yeah. Hey, man, I'm telling you,
How do you see the work?
you are doing a nice work.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. We want to push this work.
If me one day when my dream go through,
Okay.
I'll call you to my house maybe.
Okay. We
Yes.
appreciate so much. Yes.
Okay.
So here you can see this half staircase.
Yes.
So after this, we're gonna show you
Another one.
the complete staircase.
Yes, we have.
Yes.
Hey.
We leave those ones diagonally to go up there.
So utakuja utengeneze.
Tutainua.
Okay.
Tutainua hivi vile zile zilikuwa. Tutainua hizi.
Ndio watu wakipanda wakienda juu.
Sasa watapanda hivi. Sasa the opposite of this one is this one.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, endelea na kazi.
Very soon you're gonna see it complete.
Okay.
Yes.
I hear.
Anyway, you say Black Mamba, subscribe.
Okay. Guys, me, I will never hide anything behind you. Okay, mutaiona.
Okay.
Siwezi kata kitu chochote hapa.
Okay.
Yes.
So encourage them to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yes, they will subscribe.
So as to see
Yes.
how we progress.
As long as you put more videos every day, they will subscribe.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
One day I will have a surprise for you. I'll call you to my home. Go and visit at my home.
Okay.
Slaughter some goats.
Yeah.
Okay. Haya.
Even a cow.
Haya, wanasikiliza tu.
Yes.
I want you to introduce YouTube at my village.
Okay, I will come. Nitakuja tu. Eh, jamani. So they want to invite me to his home. I'm telling them I'll come one day. You plan. Alright guys. So stay tuned. I wanna end my video at home, guys. So right now it's so hot. I'm leaving this place. But before I leave, let me show how house come in good shape. Mario. I'm good, bro. Let me show you guys. Look how the house come in good shape. You know, guys, through your support, David Jr. tried to chase his dream, coming in good way. Like, look, man, look. Even me one day, I'll be on top, maybe chilling there, making a video. As long as I'm still existing in this world, and I pray God to give me more energy, more life, more health. I'll be here one day, guys. So stay tuned. Guys, it's so hot, but I have already arrived at home with my bike from Dave Jr.'s Construction. So in case you're new here, subscribe to his channel at also Brother Dagi, and then Dave Jr. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also check Felicitas on YouTube. I'll share the link. So she was an upcoming YouTuber. She was new on this game, so I'm trying to feature her and give her a shout out on my channel. You can subscribe. So although on my today's videos I give so many people's shout out, but me, I'm share with people some love, and I'm a free-hearted, I'm a calm guy, as you know, I'm not complicated issues. So let's see by tomorrow's videos how it's go, and mom, when I'm ending this video, thank you so much for your full support. Right now my uncle have the cement, 3 bags. The video is there, and also more amazing videos coming, and maybe there is something that I do private, so I don't want to put on social media, but it is what it is. Watch these videos till the end, leave us with comments, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, guys. So we shall meet on the next videos, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye.